Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was watching a video by one of my mentors, Eskimo, and he had wireframe and enhanced up here. I don't use it very much, but if you use it a lot, there's really two kind of neat systems you could do. Go over to View where wireframe is and hold down your Control and your Alt key at the same time and grab that wireframe. Well, let me back up here. So go back to View and go back to Enhance. So go to View and hold down the Control, the Alt button, and grab that wireframe and just place it right up here on your board. Now it looks like a wireframe, but you can left click or right click and customize this item, and you can have caption only, and there's wireframe. Now you could do the same thing to the enhanced and you could have that. Or what you could do is not bother with that and actually make it a little bit easier. And we're going to go to we're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to Commands. And wireframe is in here, but you can always go to View and wireframe and it'll find it. Then go up to shortcut keys, and we're going to make shortcut keys W. Nothing else is assigned to it. And hit OK. We're going to go up to View and go back to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. Make sure you're on Commands, View and Enhance, and it's going to show you the Enhance. Go to the shortcut and type in E for Enhance. Now that is taken up by a line vertically, and you don't want to use that. So maybe we could go alternate W. Assign it and say OK. Now we've got let's bring in something and make it a blue. And if we want to, it's in enhanced mode. If we want to look at it in wireframe, we can hit the W. And now we're just seeing it in W. If we want to look at it back in enhance, we can go alternate W and it'll be back to enhance if you look there. So you can see you can see the shortcuts that I just created. So alternate W for enhance. It'd be really nice if we could use the E, but the E is too important in aligning. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.